Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply follow someone in OnlyFans. So what you want to do is just being like in OnlyFans and then like search someone here, I don't know, Caroline, whatever. And you're gonna see right here, follow for free. And here you got it. And you can simply follow everyone, right? So this is how we do it. It's pretty simple and pretty easy. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. And like to follow for free, you need to add your card to your OnlyFans account, and this is how you do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.